Does everyone here watch Monty Python and the Holy Grail? It's like the rite of passage. Hi,
Hello,
my name's Jeff,
and I'm Jacob.
and we're here to see our favorite animal.
Let's go. You can back across. That's amazing.
Where are your binoculars?
Sorry. We're at RSPB Ham Wall today.
And we're here to see some excellent animal life.
Exciting.
It is exciting, isn't it? I like birds.
I'm here for the snakes. Weak bridge.
Suppose he needs to go to the gym. They put my middle name on this fence.
Mine too.
Crested grebe! Check him out, dude. Do you see that? Oh, he's under. He went under. It's a hunt for Red October, dude. He's not gonna come up for like 10 minutes.
Let's get closer, let's get closer.
Oh. That's so cool. Yeah.
I think I quite like birds now. Yep, bird!
Yep. Hey, you're not gonna find any birds down there, man.
Birds?
He's got his tongue out. This is a bird shoot.
Birds?
What did you think we were
We're
filming?
here to film snakes.
No, this is Bird City.
It's not funny. It's not funny, Jeff.
I hate snakes.
It's been a long day without you, my friend.
Yo, Jacob, come look at this. It's a brown tree creeper.
About it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
I could look at a Murm.
I could look at a Murm as well. Really well. There it is again.
It's happening.
Kind of inspiring.
But something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family?
Maybe birds aren't so bad after all.
I know it's no king cobra, but I thought you might like this bird.
That's nice. That's truce.
Truce, truce. Snakes and birds can live together.
We'll see the murmuration of snakes next year.
Yeah, I can't wait to see the snake murmuration. Bird,
Snake.
bird, snake,
Horned snake.
flying snake,
Two flying horned snake.
Werven dragon.
Oh yeah.
All right, can I take a look?
Yeah.
Thanks. Yeah, these are pretty nice.
Thanks.
It's a pizza pie. You know, I'm having a lot more fun now that I don't have that snake guy hanging around. I just took a bramble to the thumb, but it doesn't hurt nearly as bad as my heart does. Man, imagine if humans murmured. He just ran around.
Hey Jeff, I'm not allowed in here because I'm a tank.
Damn, son.
That's a wrap.